Hello, I'm gabgab. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a diorama. What we need is toy animals, bond paper to print out designs, and color paper, and a shoebox. We also need a glue and a glue gun. First, we need to print the design using the printer. Now we need to paste these designs into the shoebox. Now we're done pasting the designs. Now it's time to paste these two animals. This is an elephant. Starts with letter E. This is a rhino. It starts with letter R. This is a lion. It starts with letter N. This is a gorilla. It starts with letter G. Let's label the animals. I put 4 zoo animals. 1, 2, 3, 4.